Miss Ami. Comment Zava. I hope you all are well. Yeah? Okay. So guys, in the earlier video we have learned that our countings. We learned our countings, that how to pronounce our countings in French, how to learn countings. So that was 1 to 20 we have learned our countings till 1 to 20. We have not learned other countings, but in this video we are going to talk about some aprons, some interesting aprons we are going to talk about. But guys, before starting the video, I want you all to revise the countings once. I want you all to revise the countings first. So let's once revise our countings. One, let's start from 0. Okay, so 0, 1, 1 un, deux, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So these were till 10. Now at 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 20. So these are countings completed. We have completed our countings. But guys, if you have any problem, go through my video, last video, in which I have told you about countings. Okay, so go through it, that, and learn countings. So now we are going to talk about aprons. So without wasting our more times, let's quickly get start our video and learn aprons. Okay, so let's see. The aprons. Now guys, this I have already told you, this I have earlier also told you. Earlier I told you this so many times कि जो हमारा pronunciation और जो spelling होती है, that is totally different. This I have told you so many times कि जो हमारी pronunciation, हमारा जैसे कि कोई भी word का pronunciation है, वो और उसकी spelling, उन दोनों वो डिफरेंट होंगे, टोटली डिफरेंट होंगे. सो हम देखते हैं कि क्या एप्रॉन्स कैसे हैं, मतलब कि उनकी स्पेलिंग्स और प्रोनाउंशिएट उन्हें कैसे करते हैं. ठीक है, लेट्स कम नाउ ली मीस्यो, वी से मीस्यो. नाउ लुक कि इस प्रोनाउंशिएशन इज दिस MESYOE, मीस्यो. Pronunciation is मीस्यो, but what has happening is spelling is what MONSIEUR. Spelling is this and pronunciation is different. Spelling MONSIEUR and the pronunciation is मीस्यो. We say मीस्यो. Okay, which means sir or mister. We say sir or mister. To our sirs we say that monsieur, right? In French you say sir. Sorry, I correct myself. In English you say sir, but in French you will say monsieur. You will say monsieur. Okay, now let's come second, that madame. We say madame. कहते नहीं है madame, right? So spelling is what? MADAME, madame, which means madam. We say madam. What we say? We say madam. Then monsieur. Now look, there is singular and plural of sir, means misters, mister. This third one and the first one, these two, the first one is singular and the second one is plural. Second one is plural and first one is singular. Now look कि मीस्यू we are pronunciating it same. हमारी क्या स्पेलिंग चेंज होगी. मीस्यू की हमारी जो स्पेलिंग है, मीन्स सर का जो प्लूरल और सिंगुलर है उसकी स्पेलिंग हमारी डिफरेंट होगी, लेकिन जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन है वो सेम होगा. लुक कैसे है देखते हैं. लुक कि दिस इज मीस्यू मीन्स इन सिंगुलर सर और मिस्टर, and this is मीस्यू same, but the spelling is we added s here. S is not added and here s is added. Spelling is changed, pronunciation is same. Okay, now let's come to other one, that is madame. Now madame ka we again have plural. We have plural, so we'll add s to the word. That is madame. So different spelling will be different and the pronunciation will be different. Okay, now look, madame, we say madame. Okay, now fifth comes is Midi Mushal. We say Midi Mushal. What is Midi Mushal is? We say ladies. Spelling is different, pronunciation is different. We say Midi Mushal. We say Midi Mushal, which means ladies. Okay. ओके सो ये हमने पढ़ लिया कि सर मैडम लेडीज़ प्लूरल में सिंगुलर में, ये हमने पढ़ लिया. अब हम कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग देखते हैं कि हमारी फैमिलीज़ में हम फादर को मदर को क्या बोलते हैं. ठीक है, बेबी को व्हाट वी से. सो लेट्स सी दिस ऑल. लुक, फॉर फादर, इफ फॉर फादर वी से पर, वी से पेर, वी से पेर. स्पेलिंग इज P-E-R-E, P-E-R-E, एंड द प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज पेड़. नाउ लुक गाइज, लुक कि यहाँ पे जो ग्रे कलर से लिखे हुए हैं साइड में, दे आर द प्रोनाउंसिएशंस ऑफ द वर्ड. ओके, दे आर द प्रोनाउंसिएशंस ऑफ द वर्ड विच आर रिटन इन grey color, while the black colors are the word of French. Okay, now look, we say father as père, we say père, which means father. Now bébé, bébé means baby. अच्छा guys, look कि यहाँ पे जो हमने पॉइंट बना रखी है ना, इसमें मदाम में, मीसियों में, सो ये हमने पॉइंट क्यों लगा रखा है? डू यू नो? क्योंकि जस्ट हमें इनको थोड़ा सा पॉज दे के बोलना होता है, या फिर उसमें थोड़ा सा झटका मारना होता है. लाइक लुक कि यहाँ पे बे है, बेबी वी से बेबी, इन इंग्लिश वी से बेबी, सो इन फ्रेंच वी से बेबे, वी से बे. तो हमने पॉइंट क्यों लगाया बीच में? बिकॉज जस्ट कि हमने जो पॉइंट लगाया है, क्योंकि उसको हम एक तरह से अलग प्रोनाउंस कर सकें कि बे, इसको हम अलग प्रोनाउंस कर रहे हैं, बे है इसीलिए. और जो मीसियो में है, लुक एंड मीसियो, उससे भी हम अलग प्रोनाउंस कर रहे हैं, मी सियो, वी आर प्रोनाउंसिएटिंग इट डिफरेंट. सो इट मीन्स कि हमने पॉइंट इसीलिए लगाया है ताकि हम उसको प्रोनाउंशिएट करेक्ट कर सकें. ओके, नाउ लुक बेबी, फी वी से फी, इट मीन्स फेरी, इट मीन्स फेरी, फी. मदर को भी से मेर, फादर को भी से पेर, मदर को भी से मेर, which means mother, and M-E-R-E. Guys, do you remember essence of French? Do you remember? Yeah, I know you must have remembered it. But guys, look, now tell me कि on pair which accent is put? I think accent aigu. Yeah. So accent aigu is put on pair, and on maid accent grave is put. Okay, accent grave is put on maid. Now let's see more. We say tête, we say tête. Tête means head. Okay, that means head. Then bath, we say bath, W-B-W-A-T, which means bath, and the spelling is B-O-I-T-E. Okay, which means box. A box, rectangle box, square box, triangle box, any box we can say. So it's bath. Okay, then we say Noel. We say Noel. It means Noel. Okay, which means Xmas. What is means Xmas? It means Christmas tree. You know Christmas tree, you can see over here. It's Christmas tree. Noel means Xmas, Christmas tree. Okay, now let's see more pronouns. Okay. Heroine, we say heroine in English. In English we say heroine, but in French we will pronunciate it heroine. We say heroine. Now look, heroine. ये point इसलिए just कि हम उसको different मतलब कि differently उसे pronunciate करें. So heroine, H is silent. Guys, French में क्या होता है, ज़्यादातर जितने भी words H से start होते हैं तो उसमें H silent होता है. बहुत सारे words हैं जिसमें H silent होता है, जैसे कि हीरोइन में इसमें जो है वो H साइलेंट है. हीरोइन में ही, हीरोइन मतलब कि हीरोइन हमारी इंग्लिश में होती है ना, हीरोइन एक्ट्रेस वगैरह, सो दे आर ओनली हीरोइन. तो ऐसा क्या होता है कि इन मेनी ऑफ द फ्रेंच वर्ड्स H इज साइलेंट, इन मेनी वर्ड्स H इज साइलेंट. Like I should tell you one more example, that is home. We write it as H-O-M-M-E. Wait, it's incorrect. Let me write it correctly. H-O-M-E. We write it home. Home. Now look, H is here also is silent. H इसमें भी silent है. What we pronounce it? Home. We pronounced it om. Double M is there, but we only pronounced it om. H is silent. So I say French में there are so many words in which H is silent. Let's see more about the pronunciations. That it is Carson. Now look, Carson, as I told you in the essence that accent circumflex, right? Accent circumflex and accent sedile. Mainly accent sedile they are pronunciate different. मतलब कि उनका sound change हो जाता है, right? Now look यहाँ पे C. This accent is changed to sound son. So we pronounced it Carson. You must be thinking it's Cargon. No, it's Carson. We say Carson, which means boy. Which means boy. You can see a boy here looking like this. So it's Carson, which means boy. Now Francais. We say Francais. We pronounce it Francais. Francais means French. French that we are learning today. Okay. Jammable. Look, Jammable Francais Lazur. Jammable Francais Lazur. Now Jammable, guys, I have already told you about Jammable, how to pronounce it, and the meaning of Jammable also. We say Jammable. Jammable. We pronounced it Bell. Jammable. Okay. So Jammable Francais Lazur means my name is Francois Lazur. Okay. Now look, again, next one is Appelez s'il vous plaît. We say Appelez s'il vous plaît. What does it mean, Appelez s'il vous plaît? Look, कि इसकी spelling कितनी different है और pronunciation भी different. So, Appelez s'il vous plaît. S'il, now look यहाँ पे हमने s'il ऐसे ही लिख दिया है. No, you have to put the apostrophe mark. Okay, apostrophe comma upper s'il. So we say Appelez s'il vous plaît. Bill s'il vous plaît. Appelez s'il vous plaît, which means spell please. You can say that spell it again please, spell please. So it's Appelez s'il vous plaît. Okay. Second is comment is écrit. Comment is écrit. Comment écrit means how it is written. Now when you ask someone, ma'am, that how it is written or how it is that, so you say in French that comment is écrit. Okay, comment is écrit. Now let's see others. Voici. We say voici. Voici means here is or here are. That here is these all the things. That here is some pins kept it. Here is some, no, we say here is a pin kept it, right? We say this. But here are also we can say. So it just voici, voila. Now second is voila. Voila means this is or these are. These are some pencils that are kept it here. Okay. Now this is also we can use according to that. So we say voila or voici. Voici means here is or here are, or voila means this is or these are. Okay. Now let's come to again other things also, that is fromage. We say fromage. As I already told you about fromage, that it is cheese, French cheese. We say fromage as French cheese. Now you can look that it is a French cheese. Okay. Souris. We say souris. We say souris. इसको हम divide कर लेते हैं two parts में. Souris को we can divide it into two parts. Then it will be very easier to learn about rat. Now look, souris. It is the spelling Sueris. So we can divide it. Okay, we can divide it. So what we get? Souris. We get souris, which means rat. Okay. Now look. Escargot. Escargot, as I already told you about escargot, that it is a snail. Escargot is a snail. You can see a snail over here. Escargot. Now we say bonbon. We say bonbon. Bonbon. N is pronounced in this, which means bonbon. We say bonbon, which means candies. Okay. Now let's see others. That is combien de. We say combien de. Combien de means how much or how many. For combien de we say how much or how many. Combien de. Combien. We say combien. अब इसको भी हम two parts में divide कर लेते हैं. क्या बोलेंगे हम पहले? combien. Combien de. What we say? Combien de. Which means combien de. That how much or how many. If I ask you how many pencils do you have, I can ask you how many pencils do you have, or I can ask you how many erasers, anything I can ask about thing, that how many kites. Yeah, we can say kites. How many kites you have? How many books you have? How many books you are carrying? So it is combien de. We say combien de. Okay, now it's crayon and leaf. Now these are pronunciated differently. They are not pronunciated differently. क्या हो रहा है कि ये क्रेयॉन और लीव हम इसको सेम प्रोनाउंशिएट करेंगे. वी से क्रेयॉन, हम बोलते हैं ना क्रेयॉन कलर्स वी हैव. I have so many crayon colors with me, so it's just crayon colors, and this in French, and in French crayon means pencils. Okay, so crayon means pencils, livre means book. Livre means book. Now let's see the question regarding to combien de. Combien de crayons est-tu? Acha, combien de we know how many or how much? Combien de we know how much or how many? Now crayons, as you all know, it is pencils, crayon pencils. So how many pencils as tu? Now tu means tu means do you have? How you? Tu means you, as we say in Hindi tu. We say na tu in Hindi. So it's just in French for you we say tu. Tu. Okay. So we say combien de crayons est-tu means how many pencils do you have? Okay, then second question that is regarding to combien de. Combien de livres avez-vous? We say combien de livres avez-vous? Which means how many books do you have? Livre means book, that I told you. Livre, books. So combien de livres avez-vous? How many books do you have? अब इनका answer, how we'll give the answers of these two questions. कि how many pencils do you have? How many books do you have? How we'll say. Look. Je trois crayons. Now if I am having three pencils with me, if I am having 3 or 2 pencils with me, then we'll say je. Je means I have. Je means I have. Trois, it is counting 3. Trois, we say in French 3 trois. Okay, and if we have 2 pencils with us, then we'll say deux. If we have 1, then we'll say un. So je means I have. Trois. Je trois crayons means I have 3 pencils with me. And the answer of books one is je dix livres. So je I have, and dix is 10. So I have 10 books with me, or I have 10 books. So it's je dix livres. So guys, till now what we started is कि हमें कुछ एप्रॉन्स थे कि हमने कैसे याद करना है वला, वलसी, and how so many things around us. Okay, that how to ask that question or how to ask this. So now guys, let's see about, now in the previous video we learn about countings, and then in this video we learn about aprons. In the next video we are going to talk about verbs of French. We are going to talk about être verb. Okay, être verb. I hope you will enjoy those verbs. So let's meet in the next video, and as always अगर मुझसे कोई भी गलती हुई हो, so please, so sorry, माफ़ कर देना. So now bye, au revoir. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye, au revoir.